Compound price today is $55.80 with a 24-hour trading volume of $240.80 million, market cap of $405.49 million, and market dominance of 0.03%. The comp price increased 4.71% in the last 24 hours. Compound reached its highest price on May 12, 2021, when it was trading at its all-time high of $909.34. While Compound's lowest price was recorded on June 10, 2023, when it was trading at its all-time low of $24.02. The lowest price since its ADH was $24.02, cycle low. The highest comp price since the last cycle low was $82.89, cycle high. The compound price prediction sentiment is currently bearish, while fear and greed index is showing 54, neutral. Compound's current circulating supply is 7.27 m comp out of max supply of 10.00 m comp. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 0.99%, meaning 70,940 comp were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Compound is currently ranked number 12 in the DeFi coins sector, ranked number 3 in the yield farming sector, and ranked number 31 in the Ethereum ERC20 token sector. The compound cost per coin, which was 63.100, was seen to change between 62.9800 and 67.2100 in discrete steps. The previous day's ending price was 65.9100, which shows a change of about 2.8100 to 4.26. The exchange rate between US dollars and Compound was being looked at. Along with a forecast for the future value of Compound and a projected cost of Compound for Thursday, August 10, which was set at 64.99 as the upper limit. On Friday, August 11, a large Compound gauge was rented for 69.54, which is a pretty big deal. It should also be noted that this gauge cost 60.82, which made it one of the most expensive options available. Most people thought that the compound cost prediction was about 65.08 cents with a lease of about 56.56, but it was later found that the actual cost was 59.59, which can be thought of as the upper limit. On August 8, the common belief that the compound cost prediction was 63.76 and rented for 55.42 was disproved by the fact that the actual cost was 59.39, which can be thought of as the maximum value. The value of 63.55 was rented for 55 on Wednesday. August 9, the compound cost was 65.59, which was the highest of the multi-week lease options. The compound cost prediction for that day was 61.30. On Thursday, August 10, the compound cost prediction was 60.82, with a range of 65.08 to 56.56. The compound cost prediction for Friday, August 1, was 61.30. The compound figure was 67.85, which was the highest of the choices that were considered. 72.60 really leased 63.10 in an unobtrusive way. Compound cost expectation on Tuesday, August 15. 65.63 in every way that matters at least 57.05, which is usually very important. In about 14 days, compound figure on Wednesday, August 16, cost 61.03, most extreme 65.30. And especially at least 56.76, which is generally a very important compound cost forecast. On Thursday, August 17, cost 60.58, most extreme 64.82, and especially least 56.34, which is generally a very important compound cost forecast. On Friday, August 18, cost 58.70, beautiful MO 62.81, lovely leased 54.59, or at least that's what they really thought. On Monday, August 21, it cost 62.13, most extreme 66.48 by a wide margin, leased 57.78 in a simple way. On Tuesday, August 22, it cost 60.46, most extreme 64.69 by a wide margin, least 56.23, which is very important in 3 weeks. On Wednesday, August 23, it cost 56.66, most extreme 60.63 by a wide margin, least 52.69. On Monday, August 28, the average figure was 64.57. With a high of 69.09 and a low of 60.05. The average number went as high as 60.33 and as low as 52.43. Also, the compound cost forecast for Tuesday, August 29, was 61.82, with a high of 66.15 and a low of 57.49. Over the course of a month, these numbers show a large rise. On Wednesday, August 100, the compound estimate was 60.79, with a high of 65.05 and a low of 56.53. On Thursday, August 101, the compound estimate was 64.75, with a high of 69.28 and a low of 60.22. Last but not least, on September 1st, the compound estimate hit a high of 77.53 with a low of 67.39. Which shows how important it was. Contrary to popular belief, the current exchange rate for US dollars to comp is about 0.0158 coins per $1. However, it has changed between 0.0149 and 0.0159 in the recent past, with a big change at 0.0152. Also, the exchange rate is expected to go up by between 0.306 and 3.95 in the near future. The goal of this study is to find out if there is a link between the worth of the US dollar and the price of computer parts. Taking a 4-month period into account, the dollar's value went up by 0.015 coins on Thursday, August 10. This rise can be thought of as the highest point reached during that time. The value of 0.017 is indeed the smallest of the given values, by a margin of 0.003, which is statistically significant. On Friday, August 11, the exchange rate between US dollars and a certain cryptocurrency was 0.016 coins, which was a very significant value. The smallest value is 0.018, and the next closest is 0.015. This is an incremental change that happens over about 14 days. A hypothetical analysis done on August 16 shows that the cost is 61.03 units. It's important to note that this number is very important because it's the highest number in the given range. The highest number is 65.30, and the lowest number is 56.76, which can be thought of as relative.